Okay, I'll give you a hint. On the next page, we have, look at the snow leopard here. Now, it's in a little bit of a different environment right now. What do you notice about this environment? Well, there's snow. So if there's snow, it must be really cold, right? So I know you're probably thinking, oh, snow leopards, that snow is in the name. So obviously, Mr. Crawford, that snow is in the animal's name. So it must be very good at living in the snow. It's able to adapt to living in this environment. And you're correct. What are the reasons why this particular animal is really good, or snow leopards are really good at adapting to the snow? Okay, so you already know that it has a physical characteristic like the coat, right? So you see the fur on the animal, and the fur is quite long and it's like similar to a coat that a human would wear in the winter, right? So we have that physical characteristic or physical adaptation of the coat, right? But there's something you can't see that the snow leopard is able to do very well. I'll give you a hint. It's what most animal mammals are really good at doing. Okay, where we're going to show you what the word is. So the word is thermoregulation. Now let's break this word down a little bit, okay? We have the word thermo here, and you've seen that chunk of word in thermometer, okay? So the word thermometer will have thermo here. You might have even heard of a video game where they're talking about thermal, maybe a thermal suit or something. You might have heard that word thermo before. And thermos, you bring a thermos to school and you might pack your lunch in. It keeps your lunch nice and warm, right? Well, thermo just means anything to do with the measurement of heat. Okay, so the heat is an energy, and it's the measurement of heat. So we use the word thermo to talk about the measurement of heat. Now, the next part of the word here is regulation. Okay, so you might have heard the word regulation as a rule, right? Or regulate means the ability to change, right? Or adjust, all right? So your ability to adjust is the is what regulation means. So you might hear a teacher say self-regulation, which is talking about a student's ability or a human's ability to adjust to its setting, okay? To adjust through their behavior. All right, so this is adjust or change, and this is thermo. So it literally means that an animal has the ability to change its body temperature. Okay, so it says the ability for an animal to regulate or change its internal body temperature to survive in its environment. Now, I'm going to ask you the question: is thermoregulation a behavioral adaptation or a physical adaptation?